guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this super glowy look, and we're going to start with a face mask. And this one is a green tea mask from Tony Mole. It is a brightening mask and also tones the skin. And while we wait for that mask to work and stuff, I'm going to show you a way that I plump up my lips naturally. You're going to need coconut oil, cinnamon, and a cup to mix it in. I'm just going to take about a tablespoon of that coconut oil and put it in the cup, and then just sprinkle a couple of little shakes of cinnamon into the cup with it and mix it up. Then I just use a Q-tip to rub this on my lips, and I leave it on for 2 minutes. Once the 2 minutes is up, you just work that into your lips, kind of like you're doing an exfoliant on your lip skin. Then rub off the excess mixture, peel off that mask, and let's get started. So we're going for that super glowy skin today, so I'm going to use the Cover FX Rose Gold Drops right onto my face with my foundation. This is the NARS All Day Radiance and Punjab. And I'm just going to blend that out with my kabuki brush, and this is going to add a nice glowy layer just right under your foundation. Then you just want to use your concealer on the places you always use it. And I'm going to show you how I do my contour when I want to look really glowing. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep, and I'm just going to dot it on into my cheekbones, onto my forehead, and I'm going to also contour my nose. For my lips, I'm going to take a thin lip brush and use that same concealer all the way around them because we're going to be contouring them too. Then blend that all out with a wet beauty blender. Set the lighter concealer with some Huda Beauty baking powder. Then I line my lips with a nude pink pencil. This one's from NARS, but you can use any one you want. And you're just going to overline the lips slightly. You don't want to be too crazy with it because we do already have the contour with it. And we also plump them up with that cinnamon. Then I'm going to use my light concealer and just use 4 dots right in the center of my lips and buff it out with a beauty blender, and this is going to help it make a little bit more natural. Dust off that excess powder. Next, I'm going to use 2 of my favorites, Anastasia Beverly Hills Bronzer in Saddle and Morphe's Babe in Paradise. I'm going to mix them together so I get that glowy, bronzy skin, and I'm just going to go over where we put the Tarte and Deep. Then I'm just going to pop on some eyebrows, do a little blush, and I'll be right back. Okay, for that glow, I'm going to be using Versailles Glass Skin Serum right on the tops of my cheekbones. Then I'm going to go right over top of that with the color Vaygation from the Babe in Paradise palette. Add it to my nose and Cupid's bow. And for a finishing touch, I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set. For the rest of my body, I doused myself in the Fenty Beauty's Body Lava in Brown Sugar. Let's get back to those lips. This is Tarte's Creamy Lip in Twerk. I'm just going to add a little bit of this right to the center of my lips. Then I took NARS Velvet Lip in Bound and just traced around where we put the center. And this is just going to give that illusion of very full, natural lips. Okay, let's move on to eyes. I'm using the Sultry Palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to take the color Birch and blend that on my brow bone. And this is going to be a very simple eye look today because we are letting the glow speak for us. Then use the color Dystopian and blend that on the outer corner of the eye and into the crease. Finally, I took the color Fresh and blend that on the rest of the lid. For the lower lash line, I used the color Dystopian. Then I took the color Pearl for a pop in the corner of my eye. Did a quick wing with Kat Von D's tattoo liner. And for lashes, I'm using Lily Lashes in Goddess. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.